Alright, so here we are. It's July 15th, I think. July 15th. Been meaning to do this. It is not camping season in Florida because it's too damn hot. It's repair season. Right here. Right here. This is rotted out. A little spot. Just like that. Okay. So I've never done this before. We'll see what happens. I'm going to unscrew this stuff. See if I could roll this up, take that out, replace it. Let's see. All right, first step is done here. I had to take this trim piece off here from down here. There's screws that go in up here. They're in a bag, that was easy. This thing was either somewhat glued or I don't know. It was a little difficult, but what I did was I took this, put it under like this. Okay, so it was like this, okay, like this. But down here, and then I just flipped it up like that, flipped it up, got it out. You can see it's rotted. It is rotted. I mean, look at this. I gotta take these off. I think I don't know if I might need to take this off, but this thing's weird. I don't know how you take that off. Hopefully I don't have to do that. Hopefully I could get this out without having to do that. Alright, I couldn't get these up. And I didn't know why, so I just used my hammer, pulled it up, and it's all rotten. But now I know why. Because look. Yeah, see that? Yeah, you gotta do that. Yep. Alright, here we are in the second phase here of getting this rotted wood out. Biggest problem I'm having is these Phillips screws. There's all this wood in there. See it? And then you try to get it and it strips it out. So I've had to get this on some of them and get the rotten wood out from around it and just use these and do it this way. So yeah, kind of a pain in the butt, but it works. Got the last board up. Yeah, there's water just sitting there. Had no idea. All right, here's my progress. Got 2 out now. Gotta do that one. Oh, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to pull this up and do that too, which really sucks because that mat is glued onto the wood and it is very hard to get up. So I don't know, we'll see what I'm gonna do. Oh, and by the way, the walls, this is wood. They put wood, this is all wood. I didn't know that. Maybe everyone else does, but I didn't. Did y'all know that? That was wood. That's all wood. So I'm guessing all the sides are wood, I guess, and the bottom's wood. mission accomplished. That was my goal for the day, to get the new plywood, cut it, and put it in. Just had to notch that, notch it. A little bit of a gap there, no big deal. But yeah, I'm happy with it. So then next weekend, I roll the mat back down and I screw it into the frame. I feel very good that I got that done. Yep. Now it's time to drink some beers. Alright, let's get it done here. Let's get it done. Does that help at all?
Yeah, slightly, yeah.
Tag that right there. Okay. Now I just gotta get out. Here, take these two. Just gotta get out now. There we go. There we go. Yeah. I can do it. I can do it. I can do anything. I can do anything. Oh yeah. Yeah.